Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll first verify your system and open settings so changes apply correctly. You need Windows 10/11 support. Once confirmed, press Windows +I to open settings immediately. Then go to Personalization and select Colors. This is where Theme, Accent, and Transparency live. Make sure your accent color and dark mode choices will affect the taskbar. Once here, you're ready to switch system colors and toggle options that allow the taskbar to accept a black. You'll set system-wide dark mode so the taskbar follows the theme. Choose Dark in Windows mode or pick Custom and set both default Windows mode to dark and default app mode to dark. This ensures consistent behavior. Next, set an accent color or leave it black. Turn on or off show accent color on Start, Taskbar, and Action Center depending on whether you want any tint. Make sure transparency effects is off if you want a solid, pure black appearance. You'll finish by applying and confirming the changes so the taskbar becomes fully black. After adjusting color and transparency, sign out and sign back in or restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to force an immediate refresh. If settings cannot achieve a true black, a registry tweak can force a solid color. Only do this if you're comfortable with Registry Editor. If the bar looks faded, disable transparency effects and restart Explorer. That fixes most visual inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.